How to change card in Amazon Prime Video account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and navigate to the Amazon Prime Video website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, head over to the Accounts and Settings page. In the Accounts and Settings page, if you want to change the card in your account, here you can see Set Payment Method option. Tap on it. Now that you are in the Your Payments page, so enter the details of your card information which you want to change to. Provide the name of the card, and right below that, enter the card number. In this expiration date section, provide the expiry date of your card. Make sure you provide the precise information of your payment details. Once you reconfirm it and you are done, you can tap on this Add Your Card option. If you have multiple cards integrated into your account, you can always switch from one to another. You can even make one a default payment. So that's how you can easily change the card in Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.